Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Basically we're going to Lake District.
We're at the Lake District. We're at the Lake.
Wow.
We're here, guys. It's been a long journey. It's been 5 hours
of constant driving.
Yeah, I'll be your tour guide for today. Right now we're about to go to the eye of Lake Windermere.
The eye.
We're going to the eye.
The eye.
I just made that up, but it sounded professional, you know what I mean.
Sprinkle that on.
Love that. My hand's hurting now.
Should I hold it?
Love that.
You want it?
Yeah. I don't want to do this anymore.
Just do it, man.
I don't want to do this. Hello.
Can you turn this, please? Eating grass.
Hey, did you just eat grass? My guy just ate grass. Look at him, disgusting behaviour, bro.
Disgraceful.
Disgusting.
He's a bit nervous, you see.
Bit nervous, just a bit nervous. Alright, look, there's bare grass. Have you man seen the Evian adverts where there's like bare grass? What's that Evian advert? No, Evian bottled. Forget it, man. I'm not a YouTuber. That's the YouTuber. That's the YouTuber.
This is Nara's birthday.
Nara's birthday.
Happy birthday!
I've been thinking, you don't really know a thing about you and I see you hurting, but just to conceal it with a smile.
We just started the trail and we went in the wrong direction 3 times. So now we just walked up a whole. We're in a
Please
hotel.
look at this hill. Because we have to walk back down there.
Honestly.
I can't even tell, but
Oh
my
my
legs
gosh, I
are
can't breathe. Woo! Guys, we had to pee in the bush.
please add them on.
And I couldn't go. It wasn't coming. So I just went to a bar, bought a pub.
Again, it's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called your ace your kingdom and it's all a bluff.
Honestly, I hate crossing words, man.
Look at how steep this is.
How was that? I'm literally sweating, bro. This is a video. I'm so tired, but I'm loving it. One with nature. One with nature. There's so many hills, so stay on my tiptoes.
This is what I was waiting for.
I'm trying to limit the numbers, you know what I mean? Trying to get the numbers down.
Whoa! Can't even see yet. The sheep are just right here. Right here.
Alright guys, we welcome you to viewpoint number 2.
Woo!
Come on.
I could never do that. Oh my god.
Careful!
Hey!
right, you can do it. I believe in you. Should we see how close I can get?
I need to rest, man. I think that's a duckling.
Which one?
It might be
If
that
she
one.
picks me up a stinging nettle.
It might be that one.
Can you grab it for me, please?
Or that one. Yeah, you can do one. 'Cause it's like soft. It's a medicine
Thank you.
for your stinging bite. What are you doing?
Hello. Guys, it's fake. All of this.
God
All of this?
Now, I beg you listen to this.
Green screen. I'm sure.
Definitely fake.
Anybody want laces, strawberry?
Oh!
You lot, it's 6:30, we've got half an hour left.
Let's make music. Let's make
Do you have any the strawberry pencils? Girl, this is a corner shop. look, so. Oh, let me see what I have in my bag. Yeah. You mean I got hot sauce? You know what? That. Okay. That's all. I got cookie, chocolate cookies. No, babe.
It's the most energy she's had all day.
I mean, like,
Oh my gosh, it's going inside me.
Oh, yeah. I'm into. Where are you from?
Hey, it doesn't bite, does it?
2 miles. Well, not far from me. I'm in here, but
It's a bit stuck.
I think it's got pressure.
Oh, it weaseled its way out. Don't give it to me.
I'm Irish.